Happy November 1st, Valparaiso. I'm meteorologist Mike Albano, here with your Storm Shield weather update. We've seen an interesting weather pattern over the past week. Remember on Monday we were sitting at 75 degrees and sunny, and as we progressed through the end of the week we saw things get worse and worse and worse, and by last night the low in the upper 30s, wintry precipitation, just a miserable night to go out trick-or-treating. If you did go trick-or-treating, it was the lowest temperature since 1996, so it was pretty blustery and miserable out there. But don't lose hope as we progress through the end of next week, or rather through the middle of next week. We should see temperatures rebound back to the mid-50s. This morning we saw precipitation taper off around 5 to 6 a.m. It is still pretty windy out there, 15 to 20 miles per hour, gusting up to 25 miles per hour out of the northeast. And just to kind of take you back last night, this was 5 p.m. last night. Winds were howling off Lake Michigan, full fetch, 23 miles per hour out of the north. As we moved into the overnight hours last night, we saw the wind gradually decrease, and as you can expect the wind to kind of die off as we progress through the rest of today and tonight. Here's a look at your RPM future forecast model. As you see, all the cloud coverage and precipitation has in fact moved out of our area, kind of down here into the Ohio region. Over the next several hours, we'll see pretty clear skies. And expect those clear skies to stay through Sunday afternoon. You see these clouds beginning to work its way in. Maybe a chance of showers on Sunday afternoon, but then as we head into Monday, pretty clear and sunny skies. Just to look at the temperatures this morning, 37 in Valparaiso, 42 in Gary, 43 in Chicago. So it is a little bit warmer near the lakeshore still. As we move into tonight, we'll see lows in the lower 30s. Look at LaPorte and South Bend, right around the freezing mark, 32 degrees. But then again, still warmer near the lakeshore, 40 degrees in Chicago. As we head into tomorrow, we'll see those south winds bring up some warmer temperatures. We'll be up into the 50s, which is much more comfortable for this time of year. 50 Valparaiso, 51 in Gary, 49 in South Bend. Just some historical facts for November 1st. The average temperature for this time of year, 56 degrees, 38 degrees was the low. The record high for this date was set back in 1999 of 76 degrees. And the record low set back in 2002 of 26 degrees. So, hey, at least we're not there. Just a quick note, we'll see the sunset time here of 5:44 p.m. I know it just keeps getting sooner and sooner that the sun's setting. Don't forget to set your clocks back tonight. Daylight savings will come to an end. And then from here on out, you'll see sunsets, hate to say it, 4 o'clock, 4:30, 4:45, whatever it be. Just to look at today's high, 44 degrees, chance of precipitation in the morning, tapering off as we move into the afternoon hours. Like I said, the wind's still gusting out of the north-northeast at 25 miles per hour. As we move into tonight, 34 degrees is an overnight low, mostly clear with north winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. And then heading into tomorrow, we'll see those temperatures move back up into the 50s. We'll see some sunshine finally. And winds will be out of the south at 5 to 15 miles per hour. Here's a look at your next 5 days. You see by Monday, we'll reach a high of 57 degrees and mostly sunny. Tuesday, we have a chance of precipitation, high of 55. By Wednesday, temperatures still in the mid-50s, 55 degrees and mostly sunny. And much of the same still for Thursday. Highs in the mid-50s, and you can expect lows to be in the lower 40s to the upper 30s. So don't lose hope yet. Winter's not quite here. We'll see some temperatures climb back up into the 50s, maybe even the 60s as we look forward, but winter is coming, so be prepared for that. That's all for me. Thanks for tuning in. I'm meteorologist Mike Albano.